Okay. Good day, everyone. Good evening and welcome to another quick, brief session that we're going to go through and on Aceloo Academy Technicals. My name is Noel. All right, so first of all, let's start with DXY. Overall, I was anticipating on 4.00. However, price has done its mind and it actually told us that it actually wants to go lower. So we are at the verge of breaking through our weekly level of 92.23. We might potentially see 90.94 once this level is broken, which is going to send us falling down back. On the weekly chart, on the weekly chart, um, you see this hammer, which would have signified bullish momentum. However, the next week, last week, we see this bearish candle which closed off this momentum and just pull the price down. So this might potentially pull this price much lower coming weeks to come. So going down to the 4 hour chart, we were in a mighty range of some sort, but now we have broken through. We see price accuracy. We call 92.43 earlier, but the price tapped it, went back up again. However, we didn't trade this due to of I was away. I had some offline things to attend to, so we didn't trade that last week. So, however, that being said, we have bearish momentum coming in. We have broken through this consolidation. We have broken through this weekly level, and we might be seeing price head lower to make new yearly lows, which is going to be beautiful. It's going to be really beautiful to see. So we have to wait patiently and see what the market presents for us. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, any logical setup here? Nope. However, we might see we are in a downtrend. We can see Russell price falls down back. May can we make a higher low or go up, or we are just gonna keep on crumbling down, as the case may be. So that being said, that being said, GU on GU, we were uh, we were in a tad bit of a rally up to 1.33008. Then we can expect to sell off back down. However, we got the rally, we got to sell off, but then we didn't break this level, so we are still bullish. 1.330 taken out, so we have 1.351, which is was last year's high, I believe. Yeah, it was last year's high. So we might boom take out last year's high at 1.35184. So we have a good 200 pips to go, which is good trading. We see that long bullish candle shows you that okay, the bulls have kicked in, the momentum has kicked in, and there is potential liquidity that's going to be resting on top of this level at this weekly support, sorry, weekly resistance, as the case may be. So now, that being said, on the daily Monday, we can call this a spinning top, bit of indecisive nature, but it's bullish. It's still bullish nevertheless. We might see bullish momentum coming in. On the 4 hour, we can see what price is just swinging high, low. So, can we see price come here or come down here low to fill up this low and then take back off again, or take up again? We might see price do something like this. Price might, if possible, come back down to this level right here. Previous structural high, come back to retest it. We might wipe out stops, wipe out tap here, and then wipe out stops, tap here, and then boom, go back up again. This would be a very nice setup to see that I would love to trade. However, if we don't get that, we might see price come down here and then launch off by Monday, by tomorrow, New York, London session. Price can just dump from give us a high, um, give us a higher low, respect to this one, and just keep on moving back up. It just depends on what the market wants to do. In my opinion, I'm expecting a small pullback, then we can take longs higher. We have 1.35184 as our target, and there that will be just sweet. Then from there, we now know what next we will be going into. Okay, now that being said, also let me go back. I haven't touched these charts in a while. Some it's just old. We take this out. We see that stops have been ran. Take this out. Yep, we can leave this here. We can leave this here. Yeah, that's basically it. So moving on to GA, very one of my most favorite pairs. It's been long. Let me just clean up these charts. It's a bit messy. Yeah, it's not just a bit. It's a hell. Very messy. We have price tap down here. Okay, we have this level. I think yeah, price is taking out a level. We don't need this level again. Out. You see our upper boundaries. Price takes this out. This one off. We have this right here. Da, da, da. This has been cleared right here. Um, so that being said, can I take? I'll just take this out. It's just not necessary. Keeping your charts clean as possible, clean as possible, clean as possible. Okay. So moving on. Next thing, GA. If we come up to the weekly chart on GA, we can see price. I am still bullish. However, GA can be a pain, and you just have to be patient with the pair. I'm just wondering. So you GA, we are still bullish. I'm still bullish based on higher time frame analysis. On the monthly chart, we have this. Although previous month, which was August, we see this bearish candle. We might potentially see this come down, or we can maybe see this as a higher low, and then boom, go up. We will be anticipating for price to take out this high. If it does, then we can comfortably see that the trend has reversed. I'm still bullish on GA as always. I'm anticipating this higher low to be beautiful as always. So that being said, on the daily we see price calls down back, comes down to the structural level right here, uh, takes it out. We might see price head back up again, as the case may be. We have this level right here. We have this level right here to still take out, but we are still going to be patient on GA. We are not going to rush it. We're not going to jump into any trade because right now we are bearish and we aren't looking for a bearish scenario since on GA. Potential targets, we can see GA actually fall down back to this daily level right here, 1.8040, 1.8050. We see that. Can that propel the price to go higher? Hopefully, hopefully it will. Hopefully it will. That's a good level for the price that we can potentially trade off. Right? We also have 1.80695. So highlighting, we just have this whole range right here. We have this whole range right here, and we can potentially see GA dump down, come back up to test this. We have that level to be tested. We also have this level. If it comes, if it wants to continue going lower to be tested, whichever one, we have to wait patiently for GA to play out. Going down to the 1 hour chart, we're a bit messy, really, really messy. If you want to be taking trades long, I will anticipate price going up, then come down back again, then we can go long. Apart from that, I'm not gonna be taking any trades. Sell trades. I don't think I'll be selling this pair yet. I'm still very, very much bearish. I'm sorry, very, very much bullish on GA. So that's my bias. We might see a pop back up to this level, but then you can see there's so many whipsaws. The market is just so crazy. So many spikes, taking out stop losses, stop loss hunt. But I'm gonna be patient and wait for GA. If we are to enter a trade right here, we can put our stop loss below here if this level is held. But we have to be patient and wait. We can see a willingness to go up, but then we need to see price take out this previous high, this structural high here. It should give us a sign that okay, there's a willingness for price to go higher. Then the retracement, we can see price go higher. Yeah, Euro USD, the beautiful baby. Last pair for today. Okay, let me just clear up the chat. Euro as the same dollar index, we are still bullish. We also have 1.19962 to clear out. We have we have 1.24. Will I call it? Yeah, 1.215 also right here to clear out. That should be a weekly level. That should be a weekly level. Right, yeah, beautiful. 2150. Daily, almost the same thing with the dollar index, just the inverse. Now, what can we see? We see price comes, rejects this level a bit, but then that's not just about rejection. What will happen after the rejection? Are we going to see a dump down, or we are going to see a rally price just boom, continue going back up? This scenario where we have to wait patiently. We are not going to rush into any trades at all. We're not going to rush into any trades. We're just going to watch the market, observe it. This level is not needed again. Clean that up. We're going to watch the market, observe it, and see what it wants to do. This level has been taken out, so we can just adjust this to here. So that being said, we have this. So can we see price come back down, or we will see it blow up the top, blow up the roof? Currently, I am unbiased on this pair. I'll just flow as the market comes. I will flow with it. But then I'm expecting a reversal from up here. I am expecting a reversal from up here and for price to fall down back. But then I'm going to wait, sit on my hands on this one and wait patiently. So let's see what how EU plays out, whether we're gonna get a rally or a sell-off. This is a bit long. I just had to do a little quick. I had to do a quick recap on previous pairs and everything that has been happening in the market for the past week on the chart. We can, if we see this, if we see this, boom, this would be crazy. If we see a sell-off and then price goes lower, takes out this level, then I will be anticipating price to pull back up as much as possible, then sink it, just sink it to the ground. That's what I will be anticipating. But then I don't think that's feasible. I think this would want to rally up to this level, come up here, and then see how the market plays out. So that's it for me. I hope you do enjoy this. This is a bit long, so I do mind. Sorry about that. And stay tuned and have a very, very wonderful trading week.